I'm here at Horseshoe Beach Park, which is just west of Cross City and north of Cedar Key. Just a beautiful municipal campground. It only has 8 camping spots for RVs. I'll show you those in a second. It's got a perfect little boat ramp here. You bring your boat, or a marina right down the street that you can rent one. There's the boat ramp.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nice!
Hey,
Oh,
Bro.
it's a catfish.
there you go.
Perfect.
There's a catfish touch.
Yeah. Hey, I think it was the chair.
Yeah, it definitely was.
Hard to beat those camping fees for sure at Horseshoe Beach Park. This is our boat ramp. Takes you right out into the Gulf of Mexico. These are the bathrooms and showers. Modest, for sure. These 4 sites are right up against the creek here. Canal front, heading out. And then you have these main 4 that back right up into the Gulf. The views here at Horseshoe Beach Park are incredible. Just looking out at the Gulf. Just amazing. Really beautiful. Sunset's right there every evening. This is just kind of a walk down in front of these last few sites, so you get a feel for if you're camping here. Just your views. Best 2 sites here are Site 8 and Site 7. Site 8 actually has this pavilion right here that you see. Site 7 right next to it has incredible views out into the Gulf. This is why you go camping in Florida. Just beautiful. Horseshoe Beach Park. Here's a nice look at Site 8, which really has the best views looking out into the Gulf of Mexico. I do want to point out, though, that Sites 6, 7, and 8 all have sort of similar views looking straight out to the Gulf. Really fabulous. Site 8 here also has this pavilion right next to you that you can use as well. You've been hearing about Horseshoe Beach. I want to point out that there's not actually a beach. These rocks that you see along the banks are indicative of how Horseshoe Beach is formed. So another cool feature that you're going to see here in a minute is the channel where all the boats come in and out are right in front of your campsite. Really cool. Hey, if this look at Horseshoe Beach was helpful to you, we would love it if you give us a thumbs up down below and leave us a comment or two. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel so that you can keep up with us on all of the adventures. And until next time, get out there and get camping.